Hello and everyone, welcome back to my beautiful channel. So I have come with a new content by telling to all the guys that I have practiced my communication skills for a month, but I'm not able to improve my communication skills still. So what is the problem behind it? That why I'm not able to improve my communication skills when still I have practiced 1 month, and 1 month is enough for a communicator to improve the communication skills. But still why I'm not able to improve my communication skills? The reason I'm just going to tell to you all the guys. So as most of the friends or most of the guys, as they are just also following the same things, that they have the same problem, that they are speaking well English language, they are just practicing English language for a month or for a 2 months, 3 months, or for a years, but even though they are not able to improve the communication skills. So I'm just going to share to all the guys that what are the reason behind it that we are not able to improve our communication skills very well and very soon. So definitely I have the same experience. I'm just going to tell to you. I was also doing the same things that the all people, mostly of the people, they just do. I was also doing the same things. That's why I was not able to improve my communication skills. The first thing is that I was not maintaining the consistency. So the thing is that we should have to maintain the consistency. The first reason is that to maintain the consistency, if we will maintain the consistency in our speaking English language, in communications, if we will maintain the consistencies, then only we could able to speak very well English language and could see a good result in ourselves. Because in a month, at what we can see that there is a 30 day, and if you will also skip 4 to 5 days or 7 days in the middle, then what the result you will gonna to find. So that's why I can say that if you are just practicing the communication skills, so there should be consistency. And if you will not be consistent, then definitely you would able to like if you will able to lose the chances for improving the communication skills. So that's why there is necessary to be consistent in doing anything. For like English is just a language, and there is necessary a lots of practice. So that's why I'm also telling that for a practice there is needed consistency. If you will consistent, then definitely you would find a good result in yourself. So the first thing that I was not following is that consistency. I was not consistent in speaking English language. That why I was lacking in speaking English language. I was not able to see an improvement in myself. So if you are also not consistent in speaking English language, then first consistent. Just follow the consistency in speaking English language. Then only you could see a good result in yourself and could find a improvement in yourself very soon. So the first thing was consistent. We should have the consistency. And the second thing is that I was not practicing a lot in front of camera. I was fearing a lot, so that's why I was not able to speak in front of camera. I was just thinking that if I will speak in the audio call with a persons to whom I want to speak, and would able to conversate each other. So the things was that I was hiding the nervousness, I was hiding the hesitations behind the video calls. I was not able to face the camera. This was my problems. So the thing is that if you will face more and more cameras, and if you will face more and more cameras, then only you could able to overcome all the hesitations, through which you will able to find a improvement in yourself. And the same problem I was doing with me, that I was not following the speaking in front of camera. I was not following this type of things. I was just speaking in the audio calls, and I was just thinking that definitely I would able to find a good result in myself. But it was not like that. I have to face the cameras, then only I could find a good result in myself. So after following these tips, after following the camera's role in my life, they had improved my communication skill very well. So that's why the first thing is that if you really want to improve your communication skills, then first be consistent. And the second is that just face the camera, so that it will helps you to overcome of the hesitations, and you could able to speak very well English language in anyone. There will not be a public hesitation that you are facing, and you could able to speak very well English language. So the thing is that you should face the camera a lot. First time you will be feel nervous and will be hesitate, and there will also be sweatings a lot. But don't need to worry. If you will practice a lot, then definitely you could find a good result in yourself. So that's why the thing is that you should face the cameras. so that it will helps you to be a public speaker. And the third thing is that follow some tips, like follow some tips for improving your communication skills, like just read some things like novels, newspaper, just read. That will helps you to boost your communication skills by improving the pronunciations, rinsing vessels, and all those things. It will helps you to boost all those things. So that's why there is necessary to read some novels, newspapers. And if you will also read, then the hard words, if you are not knowing, then it will helps you to know the hard words, vocabularies. You will be able to know all those things. So that's why it is necessary to know all the to read some books or novels, newspaper, whatever the thing is that. So reading is also very important, and listening is most important. Because if you will listen some people, then definitely you would find that how the people is speaking, the way the people is speaking, what we are capturing the words, what the things that we are not able to capture, and what the things that in our mind, new sentences, new words will come. So that's why listening is really very important. And if you will listen a lot, then definitely something new in your mind will click. So that's why listening is really very important. And after those things, you are knowing all the guys that we should have to speak a lot, because if we will follow the speaking, then definitely we are able to find a good result in ourselves. That's why I was not practicing a lot at my home. So I was just thinking that yeah, I'm practicing, I'm just speaking little much, so it is okay for me, I can improve very well. It will take some time, but I can improve myself. But it was not like that. There is needed a regular practice, and there should be a practice on the regular basis, even though there should be a practice with a lots of different persons. And there should be practice on some topics or any other things. There should be practice, so that we could able to enhance our communication skills. So these were the things that I was not following, through which I was just lacking the improvement in my communication skills. But after that, I had just known from my YouTube, through which I am just able to communicate very well. Not very well, I'm just improving my communication day by day. So that's why the things that I am facing, I'm just sharing to all the guys to you, so that you it will helps you to boost your communication skills. So thank you. This was like this in this video I have only told that how I improve my communication skills, and what the reason behind it, and why the people they are not able to improve their communication skills. So thank you guys.